Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. Alright, so we have this Volvo T5 with us, pretty nice car. However, the bumper was redone a few years back, and as you guys can see, lacked adhesion in a lot of places, chipping everywhere. I'm going to show you guys today a couple tips and tricks as to how to repair and repaint a bumper like this completely on the car, not taking it off. Some of these bumpers, like these Volvos, have some really tight edges, but I got a couple tricks to get that sanded and done. And then also this headlight on the driver's side is a little bit foggy, so we're going to go ahead and do a headlight restoration on both lights, see if we can get them to match and clean them up. Let's throw a mask on, let's get started.
So we're going to start with a quick mask around all of our edges, and then we're going to grab our DA with some 320 grit. Something real light, just go ahead and just lightly feather edge out that chipping area. And then we're going to go ahead and slide our sandpaper underneath that grill piece and feather out that damaged area. And little by little, as you keep working away at it, as you guys can see, we have a nice feather edge over everything. Everything feathered out really nice with zero R&I. Once you get your panel looking like this, go ahead and give it a quick once over with your hand, make sure it's all smooth. Wipe it down with wax and grease remover, and you're ready for some primer.
So that wraps up for the Volvo. Man, did we get an incredible result for not doing any R&I. Typically a job like this where a bumper does have, it had some really bad damage in that corner, you really should R&I it. But I did want to challenge myself and see if it could be done and if it could come out clean with the techniques and skills that I have. And we did get a really fine result. One thing I gotta say, guys, is the SS2790G primer is absolutely no joke. You guys remember how rough, especially this corner right in here was, and on this edge right here. It was plastered. It had chipping Bondo, chipping primer. It was an absolute mess. Back bumper also came out super clean. This was just a quickie. All we did was sand this out with 800 grit, dusted a little bit of base in this backside, had a couple scratches and such, and then just smashed on 2 wet coats of the SMR 135, and that's looking beautiful. And then as usual with the SMR 135 high production clear, this stuff puts out an OEM finish every time. For $81, there is not a better clear coat on the market. There is no other clear coat that will put out this nice of a OEM shine for $81 a kit. If you guys like your primer filler a little bit lighter, you can grab a gallon of a reducer for 29 bucks, a gallon of the SS 2790G kit for 99. You're talking 65 bucks a sprayable gallon of primer filler. Nobody else on the market has that good of a deal. So basically you're getting 2 gallons of sprayable primer filler for 129 bucks. That is the deal of the century. If you guys are looking for the best, most affordable auto body products in the world, head on over to www.speedokote.com. They have everything you need to get your projects done. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.